What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics here with another example to explore. And today, guys, I want to go over example 5 and example 6 of how to divide polynomials with monomials. Okay, how to divide a polynomial with a monomial. Okay, so I have this polynomial in example 5 of 75x to the 8th power plus 105x to the 6th power minus 45x to the 4th power plus 20x to the 2nd power. And I'm going to divide this whole polynomial by this monomial of negative 5x to the 5th power. And remember, guys, we have to follow these two rules. Whenever we have a variable, right, and whenever we're dividing two values and they have the same variable but different exponents, we divide the values, right, keep the variable, but we have to subtract the exponents. Okay, we have to subtract the exponents. So we divide the values, but we subtract the exponents as we divide that values. Okay, and in hint 2, I have x to the negative a power. Whenever we have a variable and it has a negative power or a negative exponent, it equals 1 over that variable to the positive power or that positive exponent. Okay, so once again, guys, hint 1, we divide, we must subtract the exponents. Whenever you have a negative exponent, it equals 1 over that variable to the positive version of that exponent, okay? So let's go ahead and start our steps. Once again, I'm going to divide the top by the monomial, which is the bottom, okay? I'm going to divide the top by the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off. I have 75x to the 8th power, and I'm going to divide it by negative 5x to the 5th power, right? First, we need to divide the coefficients, which is 75 divided by negative 5, which is a negative 15. So that's negative 15. So that's negative 15x. And then now, the exponents, I must subtract the exponent. That's going to be 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, which is 3. Okay, so I can cross that out. So that's going to be to the exponent or to the power of 3. Okay? All right, now I'm done with this one. I'm going to go to the next value, which is 105x to the 6th power. 105 divided by a negative 5 is a negative 21. So that's going to be minus 21 x. And then I'm going to have to subtract the powers, which is the power of 6 minus the power of 5. The power of 6 minus the power of 5, which equals 1. Okay. All right, I'm done with that one. Now I'm going to do negative 45x to the 4th power divided by negative 5x to the 5th power, okay? Negative 45 divided by negative 5 is a plus or a positive 9, so that's going to be plus 9x. And then it's going to be the 4th power minus the 5th power, okay? And then we know that 4 minus 5 is actually a negative 1, a negative 1. It's actually a negative 1. Okay, and I'm going to talk about that at the end. So I'm done with that value, and then we got the last one, which is 20x to the 2nd power divided by negative 5x to the 5th power. 20 divided by negative 5 is a negative 4. So that's going to be minus 4. X. And then that's to the power of 2 minus the power of 5. 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. All right? Now, remember, guys, for the values that have negative exponents or negative powers, I have to switch them to this. So 9x to the negative 1 power has to switch to 1 over 9x to the 1st power. Okay? 1 over 9x to the 1st power. Okay? Or actually, I'm sorry, I apologize. It will actually be 9 over x to the negative 1 power. It actually be 9 over x to the negative 1 power. So let me go ahead and do that. So everything with positive powers, that stays the same. They stay the same. So I still have a negative 15 x to the third power minus 21 x to the first power. So I can just put 21x, right? Because that's to the first power. But here, this is what I'm talking about right here, guys. From here to here, right? Because those powers are negative, I have to put x to that power underneath, right? Underneath 1 or underneath the coefficient, right? But the power has to be positive. So the coefficient here is 9. So it's going to be plus 9 over x to the first power. Okay, so it's going to be plus 9 over x to the first power. And here is going to be minus 4 over x to the third power. Okay, x to the third power. Okay, so this right here, guys, will be our final answer. Negative 15x to the third power minus 21x plus 9 over x to the first power minus 4 over x to the third power. This is our final answer. So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will come out with another video very shortly. Thank you.